Hey guys, Irwintech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install Fortnite on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications to never miss an upload. Also, if you subscribe, you can get a shout out in my next video. This method is 100% working. There's barely any lag. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoy. This video took me a long time to prepare and make. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we're on my Pixelbook/Chromebook. So the first thing you want to do to get into the steps of installing Fortnite on your Pixelbook/Chromebook, so what you want to do is go over to here. You want to hit the escape key, the refresh key, and your power button. Since I have a newer Chromebook, my power button isn't there. It's actually on my side. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit escape and then refresh. Right here, escape, refresh, power button. Your screen will go black, just like this. And then it will say, please enter recovery USB stick. We're not gonna do that, no. We're gonna go ahead and just click Control D. And it says, to turn OS verification off, press enter. We want to press enter right there. Our screen will go black again. And this time, it should boot up saying your system is transitioning. Oh, it says OS verification is off. Do not click space. What you want to click again is Control D. Your screen will go black again, and it should say your system is transitioning into the developer mode. Local data has been cleared. Note that this does wipe everything on your Chromebook, so you make sure to have a USB stick to back up all your data. If you haven't done this step already, you have 30 seconds if you don't want to do this, turn your Chromebook off, but we're not going to do that. This erases all your data, but I have it all backed up in the Google Drive and cloud. So this usually takes about 15-20 minutes. I know you guys do not like to wait. Now it's actually working. Preparing your system, it's 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah guys, I'll be back when my system is done in developer mode. Alright guys, so once developer mode is done, you will be on this welcome screen. Then you want to go over to let's go. And just basically what this is going to do is you're going to sign into all your Wi-Fi, sign in, and then yeah, sign into your Gmail account. And yeah, that's basically what you want to do. I'm not going to record because of personal information, so I'll be back when I signed into all my Wi-Fi and Gmail accounts. So yeah, bye. I'll be back when I've signed in. This is what it will look like when you're fully signed in. So what you want to do is go to your Chrome browser and then go ahead and search up NVIDEA, NVIDIA GeForce Now APK, and then there'll be a couple options. There is this one at the top right here, but don't download that. That is about a lot of bad reviews and like all buggy stuff. You want to download this purplish one, NVIDIA GeForce Now for Android APK download. You want to go to that website, and it should let you, it says right here, it should look like this. And then you want to do is download APK. It'll say confirm download. It says it can harm your computer just because it's an APK, because APK files sometimes will, but this one I promise does not. You click keep, and then what you want to do is go show in folder. Then you'll go ahead right here. You want to just double tap on it, and it'll stay. And then you just want to click continue, and then you want to click install, and this will go ahead and install the app. If it says something like you need developer mode to install this, that means you haven't turned on developer mode on your Chromebook and you need to try again. Let's see guys, so it says app installed, then you go ahead and just click open, and this will say welcome to GeForce Now. You want to agree and continue, and it'll say if you don't have a NVIDIA GeForce Now account, click join today and create your account. If you already have an account, click log in. Since I already have an account, I'm going to be back when I'm fully logged in. Alright guys, so once we're signed in, you'll just look like this. And then since Fortnite is already in my library, it's usually in featured, so you just can scroll to the side, Fortnite. And then what you want to say is you want to click play, and it will say requires a gamepad. So on the screen right now, I'm going to show how to connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. So yeah, guys, now I'll show it to you now. Alright guys, so this is how you connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook or Pixelbook. So what you want to do is first power on your Xbox controller, then hold that little button right there. It'll start flashing, it means it's in pairing mode. Let's go over to our laptop, go down to here, Xbox wireless controller, and then this is already a paired device for me because I already connect it. So then you click that settings button, Bluetooth settings. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect and remove from list. So no Bluetooth devices found. It's searching right now. Make sure this is still in pairing mode, and then you can make sure to leave it near, and then it will go ahead and find it on the list. So it says scanning for devices, then it finds the controller. Go ahead and click on it. It says connecting to Xbox wireless controller. And then once it says failed to connect, but there's just a glitch and it's actually connected, then this will stop. And then now it's connected to your Pixelbook. And yeah guys, that's how you connect it. Now back to the video. Alright guys, so now that you have your Xbox controller connected, note that if you don't have an Xbox or PlayStation controller, you can still play Fortnite using a mouse and keyboard or the trackpad in the internal keyboard. It works perfectly, no lag. So yeah guys, if that step was not needed if you don't have an Xbox controller, now what it will say is looking for the next available rig, gamers ahead of you, how many numbers. And I know you guys don't want to wait, so I'm going to go ahead and skip it ahead until all the games, so we're in the actual game. Alright guys, so this is what it will look like when it's fully done loading up. I'm not using the Xbox controller right now, but you know how to connect it. Once it's connecting, it will say like B to close, and then you want to close, and then you'll be able to control it from your Xbox, and you just basically want to click play, and then it will go ahead and put you into Fortnite. You'll have all the news and everything. And then, yeah, this is basically how it is. You can go over to the Battle Pass. You can buy stuff. You can buy all this stuff. Make sure to, buy this 2C slide, this new emote. And yeah, so yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. This definitely works. It's really fast. So make sure to go check this out. Links in the description below for the APK. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also, subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them and have fun playing Fortnite on your Chromebook. So yeah, guys, goodbye.